So word on the street, YouTube is helping small content creators monetize their channels in less than 30 days. Yes, 30 days. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. So in today's video, I'm breaking down some huge news that's about to change the game for small content creators, baby. No more waiting forever to get into the YouTube Partner Program. If you're serious about growing and making real income, this video is going to show you exactly what's happening, what's required, and how you can take advantage of this opportunity fast. Let's get into it. Okay, first, let's talk about what's changing. Now, traditionally, to monetize your channel through the YouTube Partner Program, which is YPP, you needed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. Or recently, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts in 90 days. I know. But let's just be real now. For a lot of new creators, hitting these milestones could take months, okay? Sometimes even years. But now YouTube is introducing a fast track option for small content creators to start monetizing within just 30 days by offering access to fan funding features earlier. So how do you qualify? You need 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads in the past 30 days, either 1,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, or 3 million short views in the last 90 days. Now, let me say this, you won't immediately get full ad revenue access like the big creators do, but you will unlock fan funding features, which include super chats, super stickers, super thanks, and channel memberships. Now, I hope you are getting excited because I am. Now, this update is huge because it levels the playing field. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I know you probably feel like I'm not in the program, I'm nowhere near getting in the program, I'm creating all this content and I'm not getting paid. And I know that can be very aggravating. All right, if you want to get monetized in the next 30 days, here's what you should focus on. So for number one, we all know this, post consistently. Aim for at least 3 high quality public uploads. Shorts count as well. Number 2, drive engagement. Ask for comments, likes, and shares. Engagement helps you build watch hours and a community faster. Number 3, target watch time. Create bingeable content, series, playlists, storytelling, anything that keeps people watching longer. Number 4, focus on your core audience. Don't chase trends unless they fit your niche. Remember, you need loyal fans, not just one-time viewers. I'm honestly so excited for small content creators because this is exactly what we've been asking for, a real shot at earning earlier. Now, if you're serious about turning your channel into a brand, this is your moment. I'm telling y'all, if you have at least 500 subscribers and those 3,000 watch time hours right now, please take advantage of fan funding. Like, seriously, guys. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I make a pretty decent amount of revenue from fan funding, but you have to grow that loyal audience. And once you grow that loyal audience and you put out great information, you give them advice, whatever it is that you do on your channel, if you're doing great, your loyal community will reward you. They will get in your memberships. They'll give you super thanks, super chats, but you have to grab and get a community. You don't have to push yourself on. Don't push yourself on them. Just let them know, hey guys, I know that you appreciate my content. I know you would like to see me grow, but as you know, I'm not monetized yet. But there's this new thing called fan funding, which will allow you to support me until I'm monetized. I would greatly appreciate it. Just throw it out there. Say if you would like to join my membership, I'll be doing this, my memberships, that, my memberships. And while we're speaking about memberships, when I first started memberships, I really wasn't aware what memberships were really about. And I had a few people in my memberships, and I thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I will start doing my memberships again in the right way, because now I know what is required for your members. Your members, to be honest with you guys, the way YouTube has it set up, your members come first. Your members get first dibs on the video, perks. They get first dibs on everything because they're in your membership. They're loyal to you. All your audience matters, but your membership, people, they matter. So just let them know, hey, you can get in my memberships, you can get in You can make a YouTube short and say, hey guys, if you like this video, hit this button here, and it'll give them a chance to give you $1.99, however you have it set up. But guys, there is money out there. There is money to be made. There is money, money, money. Okay? So take advantage if you need to. I think I have a video, and I do have a video. I have a video on each one of the fan fundings, and I'll put that video at the end of the you'll see it when this video go off. I'm so silly, guys. But yeah, I have on my YouTube shirt today, and that's what I'm saying, guys. Work hard, work hard, work hard, work hard. Anyways, guys, if y'all have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out. Check out the video, and it'll let you know what each fan funding has to offer you. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.